Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. After that, this is search button, just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard. X870 gaming X Wi-Fi 7 and then hit enter. Then click to product. So this is your motherboard, just click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. And first guys, download one by one, then I show you how to install. So first audio driver, SD audio driver, and click to download. Scroll down, chipset, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. Scroll down, LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can see here just, and click to download. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth driver and Wi-Fi driver, download. Then USB driver, and click to download. After you can see it is start downloading, it will complete. Then just click on this icon where it is downloading, this folder will be open, then show you how to install. So first complete them. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations, just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one, right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this, right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.